Hello guys, welcome to CodersArts.com. This is the second video of Pyspark tutorial. In the first video, we have introduced with Pyspark. What is it and why it is used and explain some basic things about Pyspark. In this video, I will tell you complete process of how to install Pyspark on your local system and what things are needed to install Pyspark. So let's start. Before going ahead, if you don't know about Spark, Spark is a cluster processing unit for big data, which is used for real-time processing on huge amount of data. It is built on top of the Hadoop, and Pyspark is Python API, which is written in Python, and it is support Apache Spark. There are many languages are support to interact with Spark like uh, Java, Python, Scala, as well as R. If you want to know more about it, watch the first video, link given in the description box. To install Pyspark on the local system, it is mandatory to install these things are even installed on your system. Anaconda is not mandatory, but the four things you have to install in your systems. Before going ahead, I recommend to install Anaconda in your system. Anaconda is a distribution of the Python and R programming language for scientific computing that aims to simplify packages management and deployment. Anaconda distribution comes with over 250 packages automatically installed. And Anaconda Navigator is a desktop graphical user interface included in Anaconda distribution that allow user to launch application and manage Conda packages. So environment without using command line interface. Anaconda application like Jupyter Notebook, Spider, and RStudio, etc. Before we can start with Spark and Hadoop, you need to make sure you have to install Java on your system. To check if the Java installed in your system, just type on Anaconda command prompt java -version and your output like something. If it is not installed in your system, go to the Java official download website, accept oral license and download Java JDK 8 or suitable to your system. After that, run executable file and after installation, Java by default will be installed in this location. After the successful installation, Java uh, add the environment variable. We will see later in this video. Next step is download Spark. To download the Spark, open your browser, go to Spark website and download the latest version of Spark. Here, latest version of Spark is 3.3.0, which is pre-built for Apache Hadoop 3.3. We need to create one folder in C drive which name is Spark. Put here download the website. Save Spark downloaded file in Spark folder which is located in C drive and extract it in the same folder. Beside downloading the Spark, we also need winutils executable file to run Spark on your system. Now we need to create one more folder in C drive which name is Hadoop. Also we need to create bin folder in Hadoop directory and save winutils files in the bin folder. Now next part is the environment setup. To set up environment variable, just click on search bar and type edit environment variable for you. After that, this window will open. Just click on new and add the variable name and add a path. When you double click on path, this window will open and add these things by clicking on new button. After successful environment setup, just open command prompt and to check Spark install on your system or not, just type spark shell, spark dash shell, and this kind of output will be shown if it is installed successful. So in this video, I introduced the process of Pyspark installation. In the next video, I will show you how to use Pyspark. Thank you.